Good morning, students. Welcome to another interesting lecture. Today we are going to learn how to write an application. But before that, we should know what is an application. An application is a short letter in which we ask permission or give explanation for our problems. For example, we could write an application to the principal requesting for sick leave, or we could request the principal to use the facility of school bus, as well as if we are interested in going on a school trip, we could ask principal's permission. How to write an application? Let's suppose we are asked to write an application to the principal requesting sick leave for 2 days. So the steps that we are going to follow will be: step number 1, we need to understand the question properly. Underline the key words from the question. Step 2, make a word bank related to the topic, and that word bank will help us to write an application easily. Step 3, we must follow the format of application writing. Okay, so we were asked to write an application to the principal requesting sick leave for 2 days. Step number 1 was to highlight the keywords. Application being written to the principal requesting sick leave for 2 days. Step number 2, word bank should be made, keeping in mind the topic that we have been given. We have chosen the word bank as not feeling well, ill, have fever, upset stomach, suffering from throat infection, etc. Must follow the format was step number 3. Okay, the most common mistake that we make is in the spellings of principal. So the head of the school is from PAL. Okay, so step number 1, while writing an application, to whom we are writing. Number 2, name of the school or organization. Remember to keep an application short and to the point. Subject, the reason for writing an application. We do not say hi or hello to madam. Now you're going to start the application, so use the keywords we identified earlier. I have been ill since yesterday with an upset stomach. The doctor had advised me to take rest. Therefore, I will not be able to attend school for 2 days. Now you are going to close an application on a polite note. Kindly grant me leave for Monday and Tuesday. I will be very grateful to you. Towards the ending, you are going to write XYZ instead of your name, and on the right corner, you are going to write the date of application writing. Okay, so now the task is to write an application to the principal for improving classroom facilities. Remember 3 steps for writing an application. Underline the keywords, make a word bank, and use the proper format for writing an application. Okay, so I have written an application for you to request the principal to improve classroom facilities. I have followed the pattern of application writing. The first thing was to whom we are writing. So the principal, name of the school and organization, OPF Girls College F.A. to Islamabad. Third thing was to give the reason for writing an application. So request for improving classroom facilities. Keeping in view the word bank and the key points of our application, we have written an application. With due respect, I want to draw your attention to the fact that there is lack of classroom facilities in our class. The classroom is not large enough to manage all the students. Apart from this, there are no sufficient lights, there are less number of chairs and few of them needs to be repaired. The fan does not work properly too. We are going to end an application on a polite note, so kindly look into this matter. I shall be very grateful to you. Leaving a line, yours faithfully. Instead of writing your name, you'll write XYZ, and on the right corner, you're going to write down the date. That was all for today. I hope you people understood well that how to write an application.